Yo. Wait. Listen, we about to get into it. Check me out, y'all. Check me out. It's Bruce Webb speaking. Can't read it, but it says Bruce Webb right there. I need to get a bigger one. Boom. Big old, so you can see it. Ooh, that'll be dope. Coming soon. Big old Bruce Webb. Anyway, listen, y'all. I got a big announcement. Big announcement. I'm here to give y'all an update. If you trade Forex, I want you to comment the word pips right now. The word pips. P-I-P-S. P-I-P-S. If you comment Forex, I mean, damn. Comment the word pips if you trade Forex. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get straight to it. Listen, so I'm doing signals now. If you want signals, click the Telegram link. Right now in the description, you'll see the link. Click the link, join the group. It's a free group. Join the free group. Inside of there, signals, right? The information, how to join my signals. If you want trades, all the details is in this Telegram. You want trades like this. This is literally a trade we just took. This is literally a trade we just took together. Signal chat. My signals channel in Telegram. We just took this trade. We entered here. Price came down. How many pips is that? Oh yeah, yes. Welcome to the introduction of me on TradingView. So yeah, I give my setups for the signals on TradingView. Okay. I give my setups for the signals on TradingView. So now I am a TradingView user, member, whatever. They got me. I'm paying for TradingView. So listen, let's measure this out. Instantly, it went down 17 pips, no drawdown. Entered instantly, 17 pips, no drawdown. So the signal was this: GBPUSD, GBPUSD, sell, enter now. Stop loss here. So our stop loss was 14 pips. Take profit 1 is 19. Take profit 1, 19 pips. Take profit 2. Smash 37 pips. This is another line I just put. This isn't a real level, but if price were to come down, it's going to hit right here. But that's not part of the signal. The signal is here. Entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, stop loss is here. That's one trade we take. I only trade GBPUSD. So that's the only one. All right, let's look at, so this is the Telegram. When you join the Telegram, this is what you're going to see. So let's look at some pictures. So this one trade went 23 pips, one entry, 14 pips, one entry. This is the trade. So we entered here, re-entry here, price shot up, make profit. So all trades are different. See here, we entered here, no drawdown, straight profit, and it came down, wick down, finished up, smash, take profit 1, came down, double tweened our entry, finished, take profit 2. Just having patience. This is the before, this is the after. Okay? This is the before, this is the after. You get it. So here's a past trades. Here's another sell, instant profit, take profit 1, take profit 2. So if you want, this is the before. If you want Telegram signals, if you want Forex signals, I trade GBPUSD on. If you want signals, click the Telegram link below. It's pretty simple. Let's do it. Let's grow. Let's trade together. Me, you, trade together. All right, y'all, I'm out. How do I stop this thing? Wait, hold up. Before I go, I have to show you this one trade we took last week. Yo, I usually don't trade off the 4 hour or the higher time frames. I usually focus on intraday. I usually focus on intraday patterns inside of the day, not big time frame. I usually stay inside the day. So this was a trade where I kind of went out of my comfort zone, found a dope setup. You know, only trade GBPUSD. I found a dope setup. We took this trade. We entered here, and the crazy part about it is I had a buy limit. So price was up here. We placed a buy limit here. Trade was activated. We took over 90 pips on this trade. Entry was like up in here. I can tell you the exact entry pretty much. $60 pips. Look at this. 90 pips. Got out about right here, around the 80 or the 0 level. So listen, 90 pip trade, that was in the signals. So we can go down to the hour. Right here. This was a trade. Y'all, when I say these trades, no drawdown. I don't like drawdown. I'm not holding drawdown. I'm not holding 60 pip negative to go up and catch 20. That's stupid. No, I'm not doing that. We over here using very tiny risk to reward. So let's say we do boom long. Target was 90 pips. 90. Stop loss is right here. Look at that. If it breaks that level, I know we're not going up. And what happened? It was perfect. It said tween, hit our entry, perfect little wick action. Shot up. It was flawless. That's almost one of the best trades I've taken almost in my career. For real. And I don't really trade higher time frame. And then of course that thing kept going. It went up a whole nother 150. So you know, intraday, new day, we came inside and caught this trade right here. So right after this setup, and I just moved to dang it. So right after this setup, we caught a trade up in here. It hit twice. It was like an entry. What happened? Let me see. It was probably like here. Or was it here? I think it was here. It came down, it entered. It went into straight profits, came back to our entry, boom, take profit hit. I think the next day we took that, but I would have to literally go look, so I can't remember. You feel me? But all right, y'all, I'm out. So click the link below if you want Telegram trade signals from Bruce Webb. If you're ready to trade with me, when I place a trade, I post it in the Telegram. You take the trade, we make money together. All right? So click the link.